Hi everyone, Carrie here from ASSISTments. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom problem set. Under Find and Assign, you can browse by content or search by standard. In the Search by Standard search box, you can type in a Common Core standard or a code or a keyword. A drop-down will automatically populate and you can select the standard you would like to search for. In the search results, you will see all of the problems that we have in our content library aligned to that specific standard. You also have the ability to search by specific curriculum. So in our filter section, you're able to select problems from a very specific curriculum aligned to that standard. Once you are ready, you can select the problems you want by clicking on the selection box on the right. Then you're going to create a problem set. To do that, you're going to click on the menu arrow next to the Assign to Class button and choose Save to My Problem Sets. You'll be prompted to name this problem set and save it. Note, I have selected 3 problems in this problem set. You can find the problem set by clicking My Problem Sets, and you'll be able to find the problem set you just created. Now I'm going to show you how you can add problems to an existing problem set that I've already created. So I'm going to go ahead and find the problems through my direct curriculum. Once I have found the problems I'd like to include, I'm going to click the selection box to the right of each problem. Now I'm ready to then add it to the problem set I've already created. I can do this by clicking the down arrow next to the Assign to Class button and choosing Save to My Problem Sets. Here, I'm actually going to find the problem set that I've already created and add these 2 additional problems to the already created problem sets. Notice when I go to My Problem Sets now, this includes the 3 questions from our previous example and then 2 additional questions that I have added directly from the curriculum. Now I can choose all of these problems or specific ones and assign it to my class. One last important thing to note, in My Problem Sets, to the right of each problem set is a triple dot. Here you can actually edit the title of your problem set, open the problem set, duplicate the problem set, preview the custom problem set as a student, or delete your problem set. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to customize problem sets for your students.